welcome to this tutorial. In this first tutorial, I'm going to navigate you through this PIXELLAB app. If you have not yet downloaded this app, you can go on Google Play Store and download. Just type PIXELLAB. Yeah, from there you can get the app. Yeah, so PIXELLAB is an Android app. As at now, I don't think there's any iOS version of this app or any software version, but you can still use this app on your PC. Yeah, by downloading BlueStack. BlueStack permits you to use Android apps on Windows. Yeah, but for iOS version, I don't think there's any. Yeah, so what you have to know that firstly, this app is an Android app, and it was designed mainly to carry out, editing. Maybe you import your photo here, you do some editing on it. That was the main purpose. But in the long run, it was discovered that this app has a lot of features that can be used to design flyers, logos, and many other things. I've been able to design many church flyers from PIXELLAB. In fact, this is what I use in designing. Yeah, most of my designs, people think it's Photoshop, but actually it's PIXELLAB. At the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the things I've been able to realize with PIXELLAB. Yeah. So firstly, if you look downward, you have several tools, and these tools function differently. If you look downward, yeah, you see the A tool, that is to input your text. Click on it to see text. Yeah. So this tool allows you to input your text and do editing on the text. So I'll just run through it. First, click on edit. You can input whatsoever you wish to input here. Yeah. So after inputting this, the next tool is delete. You can click on this to delete. But if you want to bring back what you have deleted, then you come here, click on this. You will bring back what you have deleted. Another thing is to copy. You want to copy this text, click on that copy button. What do you have here next is in front. You want to place this. Maybe there was a background here. I want to place the text in front of that background. You click in front. You want to place the text behind that background. Yeah, we don't have this, a default background. I will show you how to input backgrounds. You want to place the text behind the background. You click back. Position is just to enable you, position the text in your own desired position. Relative position is another tool. You want to place it at the center, you click this one. You want to place it at the far right, click this. You want to place it at the far left, click this. At the top, you click this, and bottom, you click this. So that's the purpose. Now, if you want to place this text at the center, you click this one up and you click this one down. It is placed at the center. What do we have next is size. You can use this to regulate the size of the text. Here is padding. It's just to increase the space on the left, the space on the right. What do we have next? Here is a color. So you can choose any color of your text with this color tool. Enable you to choose colors for your text. Texture is to place an image over this text. For instance, I've clicked on this texture. I want to place an image over this text. I'll click on this. It will take me straight to my gallery. From there, I can choose any image of my choice that will be used to be placed on the text. Okay, let's say which image will I take here? Let's say I want to use this image. Let me take this image. Okay, if I click OK, you see that the image have been placed over this text. Yeah, that's texture. Yeah, what we are seeing that have been incorporated in this text. So that's the use of the texture tool. What other tool do we have here? You have many others, like the curve tool used to curve your text. The font tool to choose several fonts for your text. The bold to use to bold your text. Next to it is the italics tool, and next to it is the underline tool. Now if you want to cancel all this effect, the bold to the italics tool and the underline tool, you click on the fourth one. Yeah, background is to place background on your text. Okay, then you have what? Alignment, just to align your text, either to give it, let me bring this down. Now I want to give it a Left alignment, I click this one at the left. Middle alignment, click this one at the middle. Right alignment, click this one at the right. So that's the use of that one. And then spacing is just to the first option there is letters, to space the letters. The second option is word, to space the words. Choose that one. Then spacing, now this one is line spacing. Now this is a line. The first line is graphic, the second line is designer. If I want to put designer far away from graphics, increase this. If I want to bring closer, I'll reduce this. So that's the purpose for that. Stroke, now click on stroke. Yeah, here you can choose colors for your stroke too. Shadow is to place a shadow on the object. Inner shadow, place shadow inside the text. Emboss is to give it a different texture. Here my text is breaking because of the version of PIXELLAB I'm using. Perspective is just to play, make your text to be flexible. Where you enable it, causes your text to be flexible, to move it in whatsoever direction that you want to move it to. 3D rotates. This is the X rotate and this is the Y rotate. Text, 3D text, enable you to put 3D text, 3D effect on your text. So those are the measure tools under the text tool. Now delete this. I'll go to the shape tool now. This is the second one. So these are the various sub tools under the shape tools. Now I want to input a sticker. Here I can choose any sticker of my choice. I want to import maybe an image or a shape. I click on this import. It will take me to my gallery where I can import anything of my choice. If I want to draw either a regular shape or an irregular shape, I pick the draw tool. It will serve that purpose. Now what about shape? I want to put in a shape. I click on the shape tool. This is what will list to. We want to shape this. We want to change this shape. I click on this tool immediately downwards. Here you can choose any shape of your choice. Circle, semicircle, arrow, rectangle. Any shape of your choice you can choose from there. Now I want to copy this. Let me choose the default shape. Yeah. So these are other tools of this shape. Yeah. Shape tool. If you want to edit this shape tool, you just click on it. These options will pop up. But if you don't want to edit it, click on any point on the surface of the screen except the shape. Go back to where we were. Now, BZ2, we also have this BZ2. Click on it, enable you to draw any shape of your choice to carve out any shape of your choice. Then now we have the arrow tool here. So that's it under the shape tool. The last one here, I'll call it, it's not actually the last one, but we are just navigating through the important tools of PIXELLAB. Here is to work on your background. This one is to work on your background. You want to put a color on your background, you choose any color of your choice here. Now transparent, want your background to be transparent, you choose this. You want to choose an image size. Here you can just edit it to any size of your choice. What again? Yeah, so that's it. Now I want to import an image. You click on image, or rather you want to get access to other images, background images. This is it here. You want to import an image, click from gallery. From gallery, it take you straight to your gallery where you can import any image of your choice. Okay, so I think we have navigated through the measure, tools of PIXELLAB. Yeah, we have navigated through the measure tools of PIXELLAB. Let me just explain some few things again. In case you want to zoom in or zoom out your design, you click here. This is the zoom tool here. Just click here. Here will enable you to zoom in and out. Now, if you want your designs to be aligned, be on a straight line, then you click on this grid tool here. You enable your designs to align very well. So that is it. See you in the next tutorial.